What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulichu John Valencia, and welcome back to Chulation Diaries. A mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC. We are back for a reaction video for the Well Carino performance. And this is for the song Tahanan, live on Eat Bulaga, the opening performance. Yes, nirequest nga rin to ng ating Mommy Sunny na ating ka-RCFC, but Mandong Labandero also uploaded the opening song. Kaya naman re-reacta natin yan for today's video. But of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ay, opening nga. Pogi ni Ryan. Ayun si Karen, oh. Ice trap pala ang pagbigkas ng last name niya, guys.
Mag-ingay para sa Matt Monroe.
Hey! Tahanan is Adi's song, diba, guys? Oh, I know this song. Oh, this is so nice. Gen Z song for Ruel. Love the outfit, oh. Ganda na ng styling ni Ruel. God, ang lambing. Wow. Oh my God, grabe yung lambing at saka yung vibrato and runs ni Roel, yung switching. Tapos, alam niyo yung parang R&B runs, ganun. Oo, in fairness kay Roel. Ulitin nga natin, guys. Iba yung styling, lambing. Bagay na bagay sa kanyang song. Oh my God! I love that head tone falsetto ni Ruel. In fairness, ngayon ko lang siya narinig na ganun kumanta, guys. Promise. In fairness, ang smooth, so soothing, such an orgasm. Let's go back to that part. Na-surprise din ba kayo? Ako na-surprise ako. Ganda, ang smooth. Oh my God, nakakakilig. Wow. Oh my God, guys, that is so nice. Very soothing, ang smooth at sobrang lambing. Pagpikit pa ng mata. Wow. Grabe yung switching. Galing. Hey. Oh, whoa. Oh my God, grabe yung chorus part na yun. The way that he's singing it, grabe, very Gen Z Ruel version. I love that nagpa-falsetto siya, nag-head tone, tapos may switching at the same time. Grabe, ang ganda, sobra, ang lambing at nakakakilig. Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! This is so good. Bagay na bagay kay Ruel. At talagang very flawless yung switching and transition. Yung tamang-tama lang yung paglagay ng boses in every note na ginagawa ni Ruel. I love it. Yung placement. Hey, that is so sweet. Oh my God, that is so soothing. Wow! Oh my God, this is so good. Wow, love it. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Tahanan by Adi. If I'm not mistaken, si Adi ang singer nito, guys. Which is a Gen Z song at bagay na bagay kay Ruel. Grabe yung lambing, yung air gas, very smooth transition, and the vocal placement was so good. Yung transition niya from normal voice to the thin notes, tapos nagpa-falsetto. That is so sweet and soothing. It's adding more emotion. Tapos may papikit pa siya ng mata, which is so romantic. I love it. Sobrang nakakatawa. Thank you so much for requesting this and for sending me the link for this performance. Abay, medyo hindi tayo nahuli for today's video kasi alam ko bago lang to, itong performance na ito ni Ruel. And of course, if you have other requests or links, you can comment down below and send it to me. And also, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisure Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.